Good morning, Trojans. Welcome back to another full week here at Cambridge Public Schools. We're excited to have you back. Let's just get to it. Last week, or 2 weeks ago, our Monday mission was to improve yourself or improve your weakest area by 10%. I'm hoping everybody's got a plan on what they're going to do to try to do that and take care of that. The reason that it's 10%, remember, is that if you try to change everything 100% at once, oftentimes you're going to fail. So just do it incrementally, 10% at a time. So once you make that 10%, you're going to move on to the next 10% and try to continue your growth process. So hopefully we all have a plan. Hopefully we all made some goals, and we're striving to meet those. Last week we didn't have a Monday mission or student of the week because of the short week, and looking forward to naming new students of the week this coming week. This week's Monday mission is how you can help others achieve their best. For many, doing what one has to make themselves successful is a priority. However, can you imagine a place where the focus was to make others better? So what can you do to help others achieve their best? Well, first thing you can do is try to be a great teammate. If you're working on a project together, or if you're in an activity together or a sport together, what sort of things that you can do to help encourage others and build up them to make them the best that they can be. So that's one way you can help others achieve their best. Another thing to do is to live up to your own expectations. Part of being part of a group or helping others is to do your best and make that part of the process work as successfully as it can. Another thing you can do is random acts of kindness. Sometimes it's somebody that you're not even really involved in, but you notice their hard work and what they're trying to do to achieve, and you're going to go and try to assist them any way that you can, even though you're really not involved in the process. And then the last thing would be is to be dependable. If you're somebody that others are counting on in order to be successful, show up, give a great effort, and do your best to help make the whole thing work. That seems like a really easy thing to do, but it's amazing how oftentimes it doesn't happen. So make sure that you're as dependable as you can to help others achieve success. Finally, this month's Trojan Way focus, if you remember, is achievement. Trojan Way Tuesday this week is going to be on Thursday. As we're celebrating Read Across America Week, we're going to get together in our buddy groups and do some reading within our buddy groups. So we're looking forward to that. So planning on Thursday for the Trojan Buddies this week. So hope everybody's having a great week. Things are progressing really well here at Cambridge Public Schools. Congratulations to all the activities and sports teams as they either finish up or continue to strive forward in their seasons. And let's have a great week, and go Trojans.